Before there were dollars, credit cards, or Bitcoin, there was the clink of metal, a sound so powerful it changed the world forever. Before coins, trade was chaos. A farmer had to find someone who not only wanted his grain, but had guts to trade. Barter was slow, inconvenient, and limited, and economies couldn't grow that way. Then came metal, rare, shiny, and durable. Gold and silver weren't just beautiful, they were valuable. People began weighing them, trading them, and trusting them, because metal didn't rot, fade, or disappear. But weighing every piece was tedious and open to fraud. So around 600 BC, in the ancient kingdom of Lydia, modern-day Turkey, someone had a revolutionary idea. They melted the metal, poured it into molds, and stamped it with a royal seal. A seal that said, "This hath value, and the king guarantees it." That simple act, the invention of the coin, transformed the world. No more weighing, no more guessing. Now, money had a fixed value and could move across borders, cities, and empires. But coins weren't just about trade, they were about trust and power. Rulers saw coins as the perfect propaganda tool. They engraved their faces, their gods, and their victories on every piece of metal. So every transaction, every purchase, every soldier's pay reminded people who ruled their world. From Lydia, coins spread fast to Greece, Persia, and Rome. They fueled trade, built armies, and connected entire civilizations. Wherever armies marched, their coins followed, and with them came influence, culture, and control. Gold became the money of kings, silver the money of trade, and copper the money of the common people. Each metal represented a layer of society, and together they created the first truly global financial system. Today, we swipe cards and tap phones, but the logic behind those coins still rules our economy: trust, scarcity, and belief. The sound of metal may have faded, but its legacy still echoes through every dollar, every debt, every digital coin we use today. If you enjoyed this episode of History of Money, don't forget to subscribe and watch the next story, when paper replaced gold, how trust became the new currency.